Which banker was awarded the Padma Shri in 2025? The correct answer is option A, Arundhati Bhattacharya. Who received the Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Kumudini Lakhia. On Independence Day 2025, how many personnel were awarded gallantry medals? The correct answer is option C, 127. Who received the Kirti Chakra in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Malla Rama Naidu. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards? The correct answer is option C, 12th Fail. Who was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Mohanlal. Which badminton players won the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2025? The correct answer is option B, Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty. Who won the 58th Jnanpith Award in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Gulzar. Heart Lamp is the first work in which language to win the International Booker Prize? The correct answer is option B, Kannada. Who presents the National Teachers Awards in India? The correct answer is option C, President. Which organization won the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? The correct answer is option A, Educate Girls. Who won the World Food Prize 2025? The correct answer is option B, Mariangela Hungria. Which city was declared the cleanest city, million plus, under Clean India Mission Awards 2025? The correct answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Which Indian won the UN Population Award 2025? The correct answer is option C, Varsha Deshpande. Who received the Scope Eminence Award for Maharatna/Navratna category in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Who was named AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year 2025? The correct answer is option A, Subhashish Bose. Who received the AIFF Women's Footballer of the Year 2025? The correct answer is option A, Vishal Kaith, who received the Padma Vibhushan 2025 as a former Chief Justice of India. The correct answer is option B, Jagdish Singh Kheher. Which folk singer received Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 2025? The correct answer is option A, Sharda Sinha. Who among these received Padma Bhushan 2025 posthumously? The correct answer is option B, Bibek Debroy. Which actor received Padma Bhushan 2025? The correct answer is option C, Nandamuri Balakrishna. Who received the Padma Shri 2025 in para archery? The correct answer is option B, Harvinder Singh. Who received Kirti Chakra posthumously in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Manpreet Singh. Which IAF officer received Veer Chakra in 2025? The correct answer is option C, R.S. Sidhu. Who won the Best Actor award at the 71st National Film Awards for Jawan? The correct answer is option B, Shah Rukh Khan. Which actress won Best Actress at the 71st National Film Awards? The correct answer is option A, Rani Mukherjee, who directed the Kerala Story that won Best Director at National Film Awards 2025. The correct answer is option B, Sudeep Sen, who is the translator of Heart Lamp, the International Booker Prize winner 2025. The correct answer is option B, Deepa Bhasthi. Which newspaper won the UNESCO Press Freedom Prize 2025? The correct answer is option C, La Prensa. Who won the G.P. Birla Award 2025? The correct answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Which airline won the world's best low-cost airlines Skytrax 2025? The correct answer is option B, Indigo. Which bank won the world's best consumer bank award in 2025? The correct answer is option C, State Bank of India. How many teachers received the National Teachers Awards 2025? The correct answer is option B, 45. Which state was declared the cleanest state under Clean India Mission Awards 2025? The correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which town was declared the cleanest Ganga town in 2025? The correct answer is option C, Prayagraj. Who was named AIFF Men's Coach of the Year 2025? The correct answer is option A, Khalid Jamil. Who was named AIFF Women's Coach of the Year 2025? The correct answer is option B, Sujata Kar. Which country awarded PM Modi the Order of the Star in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Ghana. Which country awarded PM Modi the Welwitschia Mirabilis honor in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Namibia. Which country awarded PM Modi the Grand Cross of the Order of Makarios III in 2025? The correct answer is option A, Cyprus.